So this is a video talking about sales order entry. Again, you can navigate here by going order E, order entry, or you can go to your sales screen and there's what they call a tile. So this screen's used primarily for sales of known part numbers that already have a known costing. So this could be share grabs, spare parts, over the counter sales, and the like. So we're going to create a new order. So in the sales order entry screen, the first button is the first screen it comes to is just leave that blank. So we're going to put in a test purchase order. So this is the one that would come from a customer. So I'm just going to put in 2, 4, 11, 12, JJ1, just anything, but this would be from the customer. Next bit you would need is the order date is today. Say the customer wants it for the end of the month and you need to ship it maybe 2 days before. Then you pick your customer. For the purposes of testing, I'm using this customer. You'll notice this is 0, but whenever I hit save, it'll throw an error. This error is because there's critical fields here that are hidden until you go and use this full screen button. So in this full screen, we've got ship via, so delivered by NC Lorry, Incoterm, you can choose your payment type. These are typically tied to the customer, so this particular customer was COD. Whenever that's done, you can hit the back button, and I'll draw your attention to this plus button here is grey, but as soon as we save it, it allocates a new sales order number and it allows the plus button to be used. So we can now hit plus here and actually add part numbers. So you can right click here and go part search and hit search. So for example, we can search here for SG, which will get all the share grab parts, and we can search for complete because that's how I've so far filed completed assembly. So say the customer wants that grab, so they want 2 grabs. You can save that, and that's the order ready to process. I would mark out that say you're working on something and they maybe want to add something later, you can stick it on hold, but if you put the order on hold, it will not go past this point until that's lifted. So save that, and that order 150037 is now in the system for the planning team.